Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PayPal limited account. First, log into your PayPal account and immediately head to the Resolution Center. This is your central hub for understanding why your account has been restricted. Carefully read the details provided, as PayPal will outline the exact issues. Your next step is to follow the specific instructions given to you, which will guide you through the initial stages of lifting the limitation. PayPal often limits accounts for several key reasons, such as unusual spending patterns, potential security breaches, or violations of their user agreement. These measures are put in place to safeguard your funds and prevent fraudulent activities across the platform. Knowing the precise reason for your limitation, which will be detailed in your Resolution Center, is crucial. This knowledge empowers you to prepare the exact documentation and information needed for a swift resolution. To resolve the limitation, PayPal will typically request specific documents. Be prepared to upload clear copies of a government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity. You might also need proof of address, like a recent utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. For business accounts, additional documents like business registration or invoices may be necessary. Ensure all uploads are done securely through the Resolution Center. Once you've submitted all the requested documents, PayPal will begin their review process. This typically takes a few business days, so patience is key. You will receive an email notification as soon as your account limitation has been successfully lifted. To avoid future restrictions, always keep your account information current and accurate. Most importantly, consistently adhere to PayPal's user agreement and acceptable use policy to maintain an unrestricted account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.